Meaning of drama queen.
Drama queen.
Drama queen.
Drama queen.
Drama queen. The term drama queen refers to someone who is overly dramatic and tends to react in an exaggerated manner to events or situations. They often seek attention and create drama in order to gain sympathy or manipulate others. This behavior can be seen as attention-seeking and emotionally draining for those around them. People may describe someone as a drama queen when they feel like they are being manipulated or burdened by this excessive behavior. Overall, the term carries negative connotations and is not usually used as a compliment.